Look at what happens. The partzuf does a zivug of haka'ah in the rosh. It goes down to the tabur. In the tabur, it has the bitush, the striking between internal and surrounding light. They have this clash here. And then tamim begins to purify. When they begin to purify Dalet, Gimel, Bet, Aleph, and Shoresh, from all of these partzufim, what emerges is the partzufim of Nekudot. Nekudot of Sag. Now you can say, where is the Rosh of these partzufim? Where is their goof? So certainly their Rosh is here in Rosh of Sag, and their goof emerges each time from the zivugim of Haka'ah. You can say here it's also Rosh, but there has to be also a decision in the general Rosh. And then partzufim emerge for you. These partzufim are called Nekudot of Sag. Yes.
And all those small Roshim happen at the Sof or also at the Chazeh?
In the purification of the Masach, that it rises and each time does a zivug of Haka'ah, it causes the emergence of these individual partzufim and causes the nekudot. Not just nekudot of Sag, you have nekudot of Galta, nekudot of Av. In every partzuf, in its purification, you have a partzuf of nekudot. This is the Tanta. Tanta.
The zivug of the individual partzufim happens, say it goes through his Dakhut from Dalet to Gimel.
Yes.
It happens at the Sof, or does it descend back to the Chazeh? Because we see that the zivug always happens at the Chazeh of the previous partzuf. I'm trying to understand if it's actually where you drew it, or is there another...
This is how we write it schematically, period. All these partzufim go below the tabur because there's no light of chokhmah in them already. The light of chokhmah ends here. This is where Bchina Gimel ends. Gimel of Hitlabshut ends here. Okay? You have a problem. You go a few steps forward and into greater depth, and then you're missing the knowledge that comes before it. And that's going to cause confusion. You can't receive a thing as it is, and then add, and then add. No, you have to have the whole picture from the beginning to the end, and only then, the beginning, you start to understand. It's not the way we learn.